Greetings, Iowa State fairgoers. We're so glad that you joined us for STEM Day at the fair. I'm Jeff Weld. I'm the Executive Director of the Governor's STEM Advisory Council for Iowa. We've been delivering world-class tools and techniques and support to educators, families, and communities throughout the state, from Keokuk to Kingsley, from Harper's Ferry to Hamburg, and all points in between since 2012, all with the goal to set up today's kids for rewarding careers in high demand fields and full, informed lives as citizens. You've grown used to seeing us on the Grand Concourse on the fair's last day, but this year you can enjoy STEM from the comfort of home as we bring you a variety of virtual windows into the exciting world of STEM. Now, I am really pleased and honored to introduce someone who has guided, inspired, and championed Iowa STEM from the beginning. We could not have reached hundreds of thousands of young Iowans and their educators, and in the process built a national reputation for excellence without her. She is the co-chair of the Governor's STEM Advisory Council, the Honorable Kim Reynolds, Governor of our great state, who has a special announcement to share. Thank you.
Welcome to the 9th Annual STEM Day at the Iowa State Fair. While this year looks a little different, we're excited to celebrate all of the opportunities that STEM creates for our state and our students. Since 2012, the Governor's STEM Advisory Council has developed partnerships to engage our youth with hands-on STEM activities. It's essential to our state's future, and it sharpens our competitive edge by attracting the cutting-edge careers of tomorrow. From the food that we eat to the technology that connects us, we have STEM to thank. It's at the very heart of our ability to adapt to changes that COVID-19 brought to every single sector, from health care and public safety to economic recovery and education. STEM is the driving force behind our efforts to move Iowa forward. Though we couldn't meet in person today, I'd like to thank all of the outstanding STEM business partners who understand the value of work-based learning and recognize the effort that the Governor's STEM Advisory Council is making to enhance Iowa's economic development. I'm already looking forward to the State Fair in 2021 when we can see their partnerships in action on the Grand Concourse again. And finally, I want to commend our Iowa educators for their dedication and passion in building STEM interest in our schools and in our communities. The Iowa STEM Teacher Award was created in 2015 to honor these educators and to put them on a statewide stage to promote their innovation and creativity. This award has been made possible every year by Kemin Industries, and I'm honored to introduce Dr. Chris Nelson, the CEO, to discuss the important work that our educators do to prepare our future leaders.
Hello, my name is Chris Nelson, and I'm President and CEO of Kemin Industries in Des Moines. Kemin manufactures a series of ingredients that go into human foods, animal feeds, and pet foods on a worldwide basis. I'm here today to be able to announce that applications are open once again for nominating our outstanding STEM teachers of Iowa. Each year for the past few years, Kemin has been fortunate to be able to honor 6 teachers with a cash prize of $3,000, $1,500 to the teacher and $1,500 to their classroom, to be able to honor them for outstanding STEM teaching to their students. There can be no doubt that this year, in the year of the pandemic, the need for science-educated people is more than ever. We've seen on a daily basis how that it is necessary to, when threats such as this pandemic have come upon us, that we will need, not only this year, but in the years to come, phalanxes of young people who have been trained excellently in STEM. This is your chance to be able to honor and recognize those teachers who make such a valuable contribution. We will be taking applications and hearing their stories, and hopefully that these applications will join the some 700 other applications that we've gotten over time that have allowed us to recognize some of the most outstanding teachers in this state in STEM education. Thanks for your help, and we look forward to reading your application.
We are so thankful for Kemin Industries and the many other businesses across the state that are supporting STEM education. Each year when I meet the recipients of this award, I know for certain that Iowa has some of the most talented and devoted teachers. They're driven to be the best possible educators for their students and work every day to bring STEM to life in their classrooms. Our teachers are shaping our future, and it is so important to recognize their efforts. Starting today, we encourage you to log into our award website and nominate an outstanding teacher that you know. That educator will join more than 700 other Iowa teachers who have been nominated since the award launched. Nominations close Friday, October 9th, 2020 at midnight. For more information on the award, please visit iowastem.gov/teacher award. It's a celebration of excellence, and it's building a bright future for our state. So before we go, I would like to close with a heartfelt word of thanks to those who have made this virtual event possible, along with everyone who has joined in. Thank you for being with us today, and I look forward to seeing you next year at the Iowa State Fair.